In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Monday.com 2026, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have email messages sending themselves at the right moment so your team and clients stay informed without manual follow-up. Start by logging in to Monday.com and opening the workspace that contains the board you want to automate. Check that this board has an email column with the recipient addresses you plan to use. Make sure it's the dedicated email column type, not a plain text column, so Monday.com can recognize it properly and send to the right person per item. At the top right of your board, click Automate to open the Automation Center. Choose Create Custom Automation to build a rule tailored to your workflow. Begin with your trigger. A popular choice is when status changes to, which fires when an item moves into a specific stage, such as approved or completed. Another great option is when date arrives, ideal for reminders tied to due dates or milestones. With date-based triggers, you can typically choose a time of day and even set an offset, like sending a reminder a day before the due date. Pick whichever trigger best reflects when you want your email to go out. Next, set the action. To send messages to external recipients, select Gmail or Outlook. Using these integrations sends emails from your own connected inbox, which helps with deliverability and makes replies go straight back to you. You'll be prompted to connect your email account and grant permissions. Approve the connection so Monday.com can send on your behalf. This is a one-time setup for each account you use. Now configure the message, click the underlined fields to define the recipient, the subject line, and the body. For the recipient, point to your board's email column so each item sends to its matching contact. Keep your subject specific to the event that triggered the email to make it instantly clear. Use the plus icon within the editor to pull dynamic data from your board. Insert fields like item name, status, owner, or due date so every message is personalized and accurate without manual edits. This dynamic approach saves time and gives recipients the context they need right away. When everything looks good, click Create Automation. Your rule is now active and will run automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. You've connected your board, chosen a trigger, selected the email action, personalized the content with dynamic fields, and turned it on. If your process changes, come back to Automate anytime to adjust the wording, switch triggers, or pause the rule as needed.